Unit 4. Is this coat yours? Page 22. Exercise 1. Word power. Clothes. Listen and practice. Clothes for work.
Jacket, pants, suit, tie, shirt, belt, coat, shoes,
skirt, blouse, high heels, raincoat, dress,
Clothes for free time.
hat, gloves, sweater, scarf, jeans, boots,
cap, t-shirt, shorts, sneakers, pajamas, swimsuits, socks.
Page 23. Exercise 2. Speaking. Colors. Part A. Listen and practice.
White, light gray, gray, dark gray, beige, light brown, brown, dark brown, black,
red, pink, orange, yellow, light green, green, dark green, light blue, blue, dark blue, purple.
Page 23. Exercise 3. Pronunciation. The letters S and SH. Part A. Listen and practice. Notice the pronunciation of S and SH.
Suit, socks, swimsuit,
shirt, shorts, shoes.
Page 23. Exercise 4. Conversation. Whose jeans are these? Listen and practice.
Great! Our clothes are dry. Hey, where is my new blouse? What color is your blouse? Is this yours? No, this blouse is blue. Mine is white. Wait, it is mine. My white blouse is blue. Oh no! Look, it's a disaster. All our clothes are blue. Here's the problem. It's these blue jeans. Whose jeans are these? Are they yours? Yes. They're mine. Sorry.
Page 24. Exercise 5. Grammar focus. Possessives. Adjectives.
These are my shoes.
These are your shoes.
These are his shoes.
These are her shoes.
These are our shoes.
These are their shoes. These shoes are yours.
These shoes are his.
These shoes are hers.
These shoes are ours.
These shoes are theirs.
Names.
Jack's tie. Taylor's shoes. Alex's coat.
Whose tie is this?
It's Greg's.
Whose shoes are these?
They're Taylor's.
Page 24. Exercise 6. Listening. Her sneakers are purple. Part A. Listen to someone describe 6 people. Number the pictures from 1 to 6 in the order you hear them.
Welcome to Fashion Week Fashion. Let's see some cool fashion. Number 1 is in a beautiful black blouse. Her skirt is blue and her black high heels are from Italy. Thank you, number 1. And here's number 2. Her skirt is black, her blouse is blue, and her blue high heels are Japanese. Looking good. Say hello to number 3. His suit is light gray, his tie is dark green, and his shoes are brown. Now for number 4, handsome in a dark gray suit. He has a light green tie and his shoes are black. Well done. Let's welcome number 5. Her cap is green and she has a beige jacket. Her jeans are blue and her sneakers are purple. Very nice. Last up is pretty number 6 with purple sneakers and blue jeans. Her jacket is dark brown and her cap is red. Wonderful, number 6.
Page 25. Exercise 7. Snapshot. Weather and seasons around the world. Listen and practice.
It's spring in Sao Paulo, Brazil.
It's warm. It's very sunny.
It's summer in Seoul, South Korea.
It's raining. It's hot and humid.
It's fall in Chicago in the U.S.
It's cool. It's cloudy and windy.
It's winter in Toronto, Canada.
It's snowing. It's very cold.
Page 25. Exercise 8. Conversation. Are you wearing your gloves? Listen and practice.
Oh no!
What's the matter?
It's snowing. Wow, it's so cold and windy.
Are you wearing your gloves?
No, I'm not. They're at home.
What about your scarf?
It's at home too.
Well, you're wearing your coat.
But my coat isn't very warm, and I'm not wearing boots.
Okay, let's take a taxi.
Good idea.
Page 26. Exercise 9. Grammar focus. Present continuous statements. Conjunctions.
I'm wearing shoes. I'm not wearing boots.
You're wearing shoes. You're not wearing boots. You aren't wearing boots.
She's wearing shoes. She's not wearing boots. She isn't wearing boots.
We're wearing shoes. We're not wearing boots. We aren't wearing boots.
They're wearing shoes. They're not wearing boots. They aren't wearing boots.
It's snowing. It's not raining. It isn't raining.
Conjunctions.
It's snowing and it's windy.
It's sunny, but it's cold.
It's windy, so it's very cold.
Page 27. Exercise 9. Grammar focus. Present continuous yes/no questions.
Are you wearing gloves?
Yes, I am. No, I'm not.
Is she wearing boots?
Yes, she is. No, she's not. No, she isn't.
Are they wearing sunglasses?
Yes, they are. No, they're not. No, they aren't.
Page 27. Exercise 10. Listening. You look great in pink. Part A. Listen. What are their names? Write the names Brittany, Ryan, John, Robert, Kayla, and Amber in the correct boxes.
Hi, Kayla. Great to see you.
Hi, John.
That's a beautiful dress. You look great in pink.
Thanks. You look good too. Your brown jacket is really nice. And that's a cool cap.
Thanks.
So, who's here?
Let's see. Well, there's Ryan. He's really nice.
Where's Ryan?
He's over there. He's wearing black jeans and a light green t-shirt.
Who's Ryan with?
The woman in the orange blouse and white skirt? That's Amber.
Amber?
Yeah, she's very funny. She's friends with Robert.
Where's Robert?
He's wearing a shirt and tie. He's talking to Brittany. She's wearing...
What's the matter, John?
Well, she's wearing a pink dress too. It looks like yours.
Units 3 to 4. Progress check. Page 28. Exercise 2. Listening. Where's your friend Jacob? Part A. Listen to 4 conversations. Check the correct description for each person. You will check more than one adjective. 1.
Where's your friend Jacob?
He's over there.
Is he that tall man?
No, Jacob is the short man with glasses.
What's he like?
He's a little serious, but he's very nice.
2.
What's Monica like?
She's a little tall, and she's very talkative.
Is she pretty?
Oh, yes. And she's very friendly.
3.
What's your friend Hannah like?
She's very quiet and shy, and she's a little short.
Is she really serious?
No, she's actually very funny.
4.
Who's that?
Oh, that's my friend Keenum.
Wow, he's really tall.
Yes, and he's very friendly and talkative.